Okay, so I have a couple different formulas here to show you why you might want to use the date function. Dates work strangely in spreadsheets, and if you try to do something like this where you just think, I'll just type a date in and I'll subtract it from another date, it just doesn't work. Google Sheets thinks that you're trying to do 3 divided by 11 divided by 2015, etc. It does the math and it gives you a number, but the number is not what you wanted. Or if you're a person that uses dashes to show dates, it's going to do the math on that as well. It's going to try to subtract it. What you want to do is, well, there's 2 ways to work around it. You can either put quotes around the date values, or you could use a date function. So here's a date function shown as text, and I just did that by putting a little single quote at the beginning of it. The cell just has it typed into it. This is 2 dates, 1 day apart. You subtract the 2 and you get 1. And now we'll move on to more of a real world example. I just tried to cook one up here. I'm acting like I have a spreadsheet with columns for years, months, and days. So for whatever reason, that's the way that you have it and you want to work with it. And the date function is perfect here. So the date function takes 3 arguments, and click on it here, the year, the month, and the day, and just turns it into a date. The way I'm doing this one is that I'm combining it with the today function that returns a date as of the day that you're looking at the spreadsheet. So if you want to go back here tomorrow, this value would be changed. So what this is doing is this is calculating the age. Let's say these are people, the age of these people in days. So it makes sense to be using the today function as well, because tomorrow they're going to be a day older. If you were going to look at this just to see someone's age, you'd probably want to divide it by 365. But an even better way to do it would be to use the DATEDIF function, which is a bit off track because it's not the date function, but it can take the difference between 2 dates, as you can see here, and you could do the output just in years or a combination of any other units. So keep that in mind with what you're doing. It may work better than a combination with the date function, but that's mostly what the date function does. It's a function to get numbers in the right format and then allow you to build a bigger formula on top of that. So I hope that was helpful. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel in the lower right-hand corner. Thanks. Bye.